guys. Lately I've been doing this skincare and I feel like it's really changed my skin for the better. My skin feels a lot more smoother, cleaner, less acne. Although it's not totally gone, it definitely feels like just smoother and cleaner overall. And I feel confident wearing no makeup at all, which is crazy. And I have another video that shows exactly what I have and what I do. So if you want to go and check that out, I can link it here. And it's been working wonders for me. But yeah, guys, I've been trying to up-level my YouTube game, and I've just been watching other creators on literally just like the science of vlogging, like just different aspects of it, learning about my camera, learning about like the visuals, like the rules of 3 in the video, and just the style of video, and really looking for my style of video that I want to cultivate, because everyone has their own magic, their own flavor, and I like to up level my YouTube filmmaking, and I hope you can appreciate it because it's really exciting to me. It's really something that's a dream of mine. I went to Trader Joe's and look, the total, you would not believe, $88.88 right there. That's my favorite number. Talk about divine synchronicity. Do you guys ever just, when you have your groceries, just lay it all out and just admire your abundance? That's what I do. Like whenever I buy food, I'm like, okay, let me lay this out so I have a visual of what I bought, and I just feel grateful for it, that I'm able to buy all this food for my home, for my family. These little treats I'm gonna give Dash. Hopefully they're good. Dash! Here. He's drooling. Here, I'll put this in your bowl for later. Okay? Oh, I like it. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? So today I'm gonna be making the viral salmon cream cheese salad with the 1 whole cucumber and salmon, onion. I have a lot, so I think I'm just gonna do 2 portions so I can save 1 for later. So far we have cucumber, smoked salmon, red onion. I'm gonna be adding some dill. This is fresh dill, I just chopped up. And all that's left is cream cheese, capers, and salt, pepper, and everything but the bagel seasoning. So okay, so here's the finished salad. First taste test. Right? Let's see. It tastes like a savory bagel, but without the bagel. It's like more fresh, tangy, zesty, creamy. You get that milky taste. Not like milky, but like cream cheese taste from the cream cheese. And I really love the purple onion. It's like a little zest, but also not too overwhelming. Very good. And I made this water last night. You can really taste the lemon in it. I should have squeezed like a little bit of lemon inside, but I really want to start making my own juices or like infused waters instead of always like thinking about reaching for juice. I just think it's like healthier to make it yourself. And I also really want to start getting into like creating mocktails that are healthy. Like that is one of the things that I really want to do, to just create mocktails that like heal your gut, clean your blood, give you more just health benefits, overall health benefits, and it's like beautiful and tasty. Like imagine just like some beet juice in here, or like rose water, or some mint ashwagandha water or something like that. That would be so cool, and it would be so pretty just to grab for it and pour it out and drink it throughout the day, so that you don't feel guilty about drinking juice instead of water, but instead you're making it like fancy and cute and healthy. So I'm here at the park right now, and I haven't been here actually to this park in a long time, but the weather's really nice, and it's still winter. It's February, but the weather has been kind of nice lately after all the rain, and it just feels so good to be out in the sun with my dog. I want to make this kind of a habit, coming to parks more with my dog, because he seems to be loving it. He's just smelling everything, and he's been to dog parks before, but also I want to be more active this year, and I think this would be good activity for me and my dog, because yeah, we need to get out more. And now that the weather's much nicer, we can do more fun stuff outside. Look at this cool stick. But my dog doesn't seem to like it. Does she? You don't like the stick? What a beautiful day. This morning I really wanted to get a lot of stuff done, but it's like my mind always tells me, be productive, be productive, be productive. I always want to be productive, but sometimes it's nice to just be like, okay, let's do something fun today. What can I do that's fun? And like, you know how sometimes you get an inkling like, oh, I want to go this place or do this thing, but then your mind is like, no, that's not logical, don't do that. Yeah, sometimes you just gotta let yourself just do the thing that calls to you. Do the thing that, like, oh, that would be fun to do. Just go do it. Don't ask permission. Don't wait. Don't say, oh, I need to get these chores done. You do chores every weekend. Like, just do the thing. And it doesn't have to be for any reason other than it makes you happy. Right? And enjoy your life. Because we're here to live. And life is for living. Life is not for working. Life is for living. Ready? Ash, go get Troy. Hey guys, so I've received some happy mail. I ordered this actually from this artist I've been following. It is so cute. Look at all the stamps on it. Oh. Thank you, Jasmine. And then the back. It's like a little art print. Isn't that so cute? It's a little dog. I think I'm gonna hang it up over there. I really love this shade of yellow. Like, it's one of my favorite colors, actually. Yay! I ordered this. I think this is a postcard that I ordered. A little art print. So cute. I'm gonna hang it up for sure, like right there. Or something. I'll show you when I hang it up. And then this is a sticker. I think it's like a Taurus sticker, if I'm not mistaken. And I am Taurus rising in astrology, but my main zodiac, my sun is Sagittarius. And I got this little bird too. Look how cute. It's holographic. And this one I've been wanting for a while, actually. Little cherub. So cute and lovely. I think I could actually frame this and put it up, but I don't have a frame right now, so yes, I'm just gonna tape it up with washi tape. What do you think, Dashi? Oh no! I guess for now I'll just put this like that. That'll work, right? Ta-da! I got it up there. I love it. There's the other one.